weekend. The park is full. Bridgeport Lake. Look at that boat, man. Think that thing goes fast? It's me and Chris. Go see what we can catch. First cast. I mean, when we left the house, there wasn't a lick of wind. Get out here. Lake Bridgeport, favorite lake. The wind's picking up and it's even raining over there. I don't know if you can tell. And there's a mess of people out here. It's Labor Day weekend, so. Boats, jet skis, tubing. They're just everywhere. We're just going to relax over here. Over here to get out of the direct wind. I think he's just going to organize some. That's thunder. Yep. Organize some stuff till this passes over. It's a pretty sky though. Done?
Me? No, I'm fixing to put the string on.
What kind of string are you using?
I'm trying Bass Pro's brand XL fluorocarbon, 15-pound tests. This is a skeet grease cranking rod. It's 7 foot. I've got a Spro rock crawler crankbait, clear with red eyes and rattlers in there. And on this pole, it's a Jacob Wheeler ducket rod, 7 foot, medium heavy. I am using a shaky head with a stick worm. And on this other pole, I have this is a Rapala deep shadow wrap jerkbait. Imitates a shad that's wounded. I have a Carolina rig for deep if I'm going to fish off the bottom. And then I have a Strike King square bill. I think that's the Sexy Shad color. And it's on a Buku Falcon rod, 7 foot, medium action. And so we're fixing to get back after it now that it has. Now I get everything rigged. I'll put new string on this pole. Because the other string, I can't remember what kind it was. I think it was P-line. I didn't like it. It started fraying on me. It was like a mix between fluorocarbon and monofilament. I'm not a big fan of it. Hey, right up here. We're not on this. Come here, fat sucker. Belly. Something black on this.
Yep. We're right back where we started.
Yeah, couldn't get out here because it's too windy the other day, or first when we got here.
Well, one good thing, it's all the jet skis and boaters, and
Went home.
yeah, they're all gone. It's just beautiful now, and we got the lake to ourselves.
Almost. That's 2 and 2 throws. Hallelujah. He's a little smaller, but he's got a head and a tail. I love catching fish. Yeah. It's getting good. Every throw. I'm here to pop. Free ride to the boat. Ooh. Here it comes. But, yeah, put on a show, little fella. I need to get back out there because they're out there. I want to catch me another one. Quit fooling with him. Uh-oh. Do a little wire action on him. He swallowed it. There he comes. Get him back in there. Good one, decent one. Got him hooked right. See if you pay there won't no worm. If you pay attention and don't let them swallow it, you know, as soon as you start feeling it, it helps. Keep them from getting hooked too deep. I'm not gonna. Oh, man. Oh, I had him for a while, and I think he's probably hooked deep. Oh. Get in here. Deep. Still fat as it can be, though. It's the end of a good day. Went through about 2 to 3 packs of worms. Caught most of them all on a Carolina rig. Probably caught, I don't know, 15, 20. At some point, it's catching them every throw. It was pretty rough when we got started, windy and stuff, but calmed down and turned into be a nice evening. And it's not very hot. It's about probably about 75, 80 degrees. So see that? That's bass right there on the bottom. So. Okay, you can stop it. We're headed home.